Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to draw pivot table and how to draw pivot charts. So take an example. Here is a data. This data is about expenses incurred by family members on different activities on different dates. So these are the dates on which the expenses are incurred, and these are the persons who have incurred the expenses on these activities, and this is the amount. So in first step, we are going to draw a pivot chart. So select, put a cursor on one of the cell, and then from insert tab, select pivot chart. And then you need to be sure that in this select table range, your entire table is being selected. So here it has been selected. And then second, you have to ensure where you want this table to be, whether it is to be in new worksheet or it is to be in existing worksheet. If you choose new worksheet, then automatically a new worksheet will open just prior to this sheet where your data is available, and the table will be created there. So just press OK and you will find this window has opened, and you can find that these field headings, what are there, have been we can say carried to this particular tab here. So these fields have come here. Now you have to simply drag it. Now I want bias in the row and then amount spent on the adjacent row. So you can see now this pivot table is giving me very easily how much amount is spent by dad, 3,300, daughter 200, mom 3,000, and son 1,150. Similarly, instead of buyer, if you want to understand on what activity how much amount is spent, just click the tab type, and this type will come under the row tab, and you will find that the activities are there on which what is the amount has been spent. You can again try with other odd combinations also. One thing which you have to be very sure about is that this tab here, the sum of amount should be there when you want the summation to be here. Generally what I have seen is when you will be working on a big Excel sheet and many fields will be there, then instead of automatically choosing sum of amount, it may choose count. So in case of count, it will be only the numbers, the counts will be there. Like you can see on book, only one time expense has been there, car only one time expense is there, that has been given here. So for changing that, you have to click on this arrow and then go to value field setting, and from here you have to select the sum or the other things which as per your need, and then press OK. So it will give you the sum. Now this is about drawing the pivot table. Now let us move on to draw a pivot chart. So for drawing pivot chart, again go to the table, go to insert tab, and in insert tab you will find the charts are here. In that you will find the pivot chart to be available here. So click on pivot chart. Again ensure that the entire data has been selected. Select the sheet or existing worksheet, whichever you prefer to, and then click OK. Now I want bias on this axis and the amount spent on this axis. So you can see how easily a chart has been created. I can put the bias here also, and it has come in the form of legend, and then accordingly this chart has been again reclassified. Similarly, I can draw the chart for type, means for what activity how much has been spent. So you can see, and then subsequently once you have drawn the table, you can again change these colors etc. of this table subsequently. So I hope you like my video. I will be covering more topics on pivot table, pivot charts in my subsequent videos also. So keep watching. Please subscribe to my channel.